Did you know that low website engagement doesn't just mean fewer readers? It can silently hurt your SEO rankings, lower your conversion rates, and waste your marketing budget. Metrics like bounce rate, time on page, and pages per session tell Google whether your content is valuable. If visitors spend only a few seconds and jump back, search engines assume your content didn't meet expectations. Every person who leaves after skimming 10% of your page is someone who never saw your sign-up form or product details. My old blog page was cluttered. Long text, hidden calls to action, poor results. But once I simplified it, shorter text, bolded key points, streamlined call to action, my conversion rate increased dramatically. So, how to improve engagement? Optimize content relevance. If your headline promises one thing but the page delivers another, readers won't stay. Enhance page experience. Your site should load quickly, look good on mobile, and have a clean layout. Engaging calls to action. Use buttons or links that clearly show the next step. Encourage exploration. Add internal links to related articles or resources. Add interactive content. Quizzes, videos, or comments give people a reason to stay longer. With nuclear engagement, you can transform a passive post into an interactive experience. Low engagement is often invisible, but it's one of the most damaging problems for your site's growth. By improving relevance, design, and calls to action, you can turn things around.